Alright, let's try. Let's turn on some a little bit chill music, you know. Let's try this. Chilling. Right, let's put it here. Right, guys, so today we are going to keep doing our CarList app. So basically, CarList is basically like it's like a review page, but it's also like a ranking page, you know. When you go search for cars, some people would not like to read all the technical stuff, and all they want to know is like, is that car good, right? They don't care about like the engine, they don't care about the like the turbo or like F Sport or whatever. They don't care about the technical stuff. All they care about is reliability, safety, like some of the general factors that would contribute to a decision of buying a car, right? So CarList is basically just created in order to do exactly that. We would not have like a crazy like technical stuff, but it's kind of like a ranking system. Like when you search like top 10 car, this might pop up. It's not like, hey, the spec of a RAV4, whatever. That is not it. This is. So what I need to do now is I would need to basically, when I hover on the card, it show like a car list. So I have everything here. Everything is already here. So now when I hover on it, that's like a color bar. This is the I would say it's take inspiration from Nomad List, but it mainly that this is now I'm trying to do like when you hover on the cards, there's going to be a rating. It's not going to be star, but like a rating, like color bars. And I'm trying to do exactly that. So let's try color bars. What I need to do when I hover on it, it will show me which card am I on. Right, so let's try this, and I forgot how to do that, so now I'm going to watch back the
and we are going to use data attributes to get this information. What we're going to do is give each of these icon elements a data attribute. The name of the data attribute will identify which icon it belongs to, like, retweet or reply, and the content will hold the tweet's UID, and that is the unique identifier that we've got right here with each object.
Right, so when you hover on a
and that will tell us which tweet the clicked icon refers to. Now the first step of this involves working down in this HTML string. So if you'll remember, we've got this for each, it's iterating over our data and it's creating HTML for each tweet. And we've got the icons here on lines 28, 32 and 36. So here is your challenge. I want you to add data attributes to each of the I tags. You can call them reply, like, and retweet.
Right, I did exactly that. Retweet.
Okay, so hopefully you got that working just fine. So let's come down here and we'll start off on line 28. I'm going to add a data attribute right here. And because this is going to create quite a long line of code, I'm going to do a challenge. I want you to add data attributes. So hopefully you got that working. Just to create quite a long line of code, I'm going to bring it down onto a new line.
Right, so I need to create. So this is the thing that I want to do. So we do data / cart equal, and then what?
So this is the reply icon. So I'm going to call this one data-reply. Now we're accessing each tweet with this tweet parameter. So all I need to do in here is use the $ and the curly braces, and then it's tweet.uid. Okay, let's repeat that process with the other two icons.
And then we do hash cart .uuid.
So this second icon is the like icon. So it's data dash.
Right, so we don't need that. Now let's run. Let's try and console.log. E.target.
Like, and again, it's holding the UID of the tweet. So that's what we'll be coming on to next. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next scrim.
Event listeners.
Now we've got our data attributes, let's set up an event listener. Now, what should we listen out for clicks on? Well, we could listen out for clicks on the feed because this is where all of our tweets are, and we'll be able to pick up clicks on any of the three icons. But let's just consider the rest of the app, because actually there are only 4 potential click interactions in listener that will keep our, and it's going to pick up both the feed but let's keep things simple and set up a new event listener just while we work on these icons. Then when we're done, we'll refactor down to just 1 event listener. Okay, so there's our event listener.
Right, let's try and do that. Just do that. And then let's see. Document dot get element by ID by query selectors. Then we do dot cards because we want to listen to the cards only. Add event listeners. Then we do, let's just say click now. Then we do function E. So E for event. Let's see what
detecting clicks on the document. Now we have it, we need to use it to get access to the data stored in the data attribute when the like icon is clicked. So bear with me a moment while I set you this like icon and hit absolutely fine. And in fact, we're going to use.
I did this. So if e console.log. So right, if open parenthesis, open bracket, e.target dot dataset dot cart console.log.
Use that to our benefit.
Reply, retweet, likes. Should be likes here. Let's try this. Let's go to our console. Nothing happens. Maybe I would need to do the image instead of the cards because the card is display absolute right now. Might be. Yeah, let's try card UID. Copy this code here and put it right in here. Try this. Now it works. How about this? Why doesn't it work? Yeah, that works. This doesn't work. Query selected all. How about now? I need it so that it will display. Let's try and see. The image is going to be our best bet. Our div card. Yeah, the image would be our best bet. How about this? Query select this. It's not going to be the cards, but more like the image. This is class BG background. .bg background. BG image. Right. But it works. Now it works. Should be query selected all. How about now? Does it work? It only works once. This doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. It does work. Click. Click. Doesn't work. Doesn't console.log. Dun, 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 dun. Pretty shit. Why it doesn't work for all of them? Right click the image, query select this. Maybe because it is query select this. Let's call this ID. ID cart img. And let's try, maybe this would work a lot better. Document.element, get element by ID. How about now? Looking like only the first one works. Dun, 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 dun. Why it is like that? Data set. Dun. Pretty bad. Try this. Image card. Still have an ID of this, but it doesn't listen. This will listen, but the rest doesn't. That's weird. I don't know. This works. Try to do the same things with all of this, doesn't work. Maybe. Really? What if I do mouse over? Mouse enter. Huh. For Christ's sake. Doesn't work. Guys. Oh, this works. So when we hover, mouse enters. We do mouse enter on the first one, this works. But then the rest, is it because of my UID? Maybe I generate the same UID. Let's try and get like a different UID. Mouse enters. Doesn't work, guys. Got bamboozle. Yeah, this works. And this only works for the first one. Let's try this. Where's my UID generators? Hey, ChatGPT. What is it? Where's my ChatGPT? Okay. Create 15 unique UID for me. Try this. D. Okay, put them on here. Shit. Alright, let's try this. Let's see what happens. and it clicked. Dataset dot cards. This still doesn't work. Oh man, what happened? Click. This doesn't work. That doesn't work. This doesn't work. Oh, that doesn't work. Render get all cards. Right, function card is supposed to render it all out. What if I tried here? Card rank. Doesn't work. Let's try data.uuid. Try this, and we put it right here. I'll try it on here. Console.log target dataset cards.
A little bit later. Okay, if you need to go back a few scrims to check the syntax for accessing data attributes, that is absolutely fine. Pause now, get this challenge sorted, and I'll see you back.
Data set, data reply. Let's try and create like buttons. And what if we click it? Maybe because of this is display relative to the screen. And the not too sure why it doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. Yeah, it should be ID card image. Else we do console.log not working. Not working. Shit. Hmm. Only the first card that pop up works. Ah. How can I be able to do this? Card IMG. So every of them has a card IMG. Let's do ID, BG, IMGs. BG, IMGs. Maybe reply likes UUID, tweet.uuid, e-target dataset dot reply. Change songs. Data. Let's call this like. Why is it not working? Document add a listener. Yeah, let's try all of that. Not working. Okay. So you need to listen to all of it. All right. Let's do mouse on, mouse over, mouse enters, mouse enters. Click. Okay, this works. All right, let's create buttons. UUID, UUID, UUID. Right, let's create a buttons. Card BTN. CDN. Font awesome. Do I have font awesome in this? Try and see. CDN bootstrap. Font awesome library. Let's get this. Copy link tag. Do we need a script? Don't think so. Font awesome. Let's see. Search for heart icons. Heart icons. See if I have it here. Wrap it in div. Div class equal rank hot containers. Alright, so let's do a display flex. What is it? Display flex bootstrap. Display flex. Okay. Try. What we need to do is we do this. Rank hard containers. Dot rank hard containers. Position relative. Right, so display flex. Because I have the rank already relative. Put it right here. Okay, so now that is not display flex. Deflex. Flexible. Yeah, I think I have this set flexible. Oh, this one. Wrong place. Wrong place. Right, so top is a little bit down. This top, it's like 5%. 5%. Okay, now I don't see the hot. Yeah, it should be this. Rank. Okay, font size. That's good. Let's copy this. Hot rank. Delete this. Right. Left 10%. No, it's justified content. Content centers should be between, right? Between. So what do I say between? Justified content between. See it? Little bit too much. Senis. Senis. Between. And then what we need to do is we don't want it to go over the board. What we can do is we try and not let it, so it's go all the way around evenly. Evenly. Let's see, evenly. Evenly. That's quite shit. Evenly, but we increase the column gap. This is around. Let's see, around. Around is all right. Let's increase the column gap. Column. Maybe we can do call auto. We can do call. Margin left auto, so that is going to mx auto. Should deflex. Column gap. Gutters. Got to Y G X, and then we do 1. Try it. Let's do 5. Same things. What we can do is space between. And then we increase the padding, margins, space between, and then we do MX. Let's do 1. That works. Yeah, that works. 2. So 3. Right, perfect, perfect. Now I need the HUDs to fonts awesome. Let's see if there's a white icon. HUD. Yeah, that's good. And then can I change the color? Change color of our font's awesome icon. Alright, so we do hot thumbnail, right hot containers. Okay, we have this. FA regulars. FA hot. Colors. White. Try that. That works. Can I make it a little bit bigger? That's good. That's good. Now I can have like a cut you it. There we go. Data. Like. Let's print out the UID first. And then else if. E.target dataset .like. Then we console.log e.target dataset .liked. Right, that works. Perfect. Okay, and then we do cursor pointers. It's good. It's good. Let's move on.
Back here in just a few minutes. Just going to use E, the 3 icons. Now, the ultimate aim of clicking on a like icon is to increment the like count. Now, I don't want to have the logic for that right. Create a function specifically to... I'll see you in the next scrim. Now we know which type of icon was clicked and which tweet it belonged to. Our next aim is to be able to click on a like icon and increment that tweet's like count. Now, this is slightly complicated, and we're not going to get this working in this scrim. In fact...
Alright, give me a moment. completely.
We're going to break this process down into several scrims. First thing that we need is a function to handle clicks on like icons. So let's go ahead and set one up. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to give this function a good descriptive name. I'm calling it handle like click because that...
Yeah, let's do that. We don't want this for now because we want it to be hover instead of click. So let's remove this. Let's try and let's write when the hot buttons is clicked. Hot btn change color. Right, and I also want to implement the local storage so that when they refresh the page, the color of the HUD still stay.
Is exactly what it's going to do. Now in this scrim, my aim is to get this function logging out the UID of the tweet whose like icon was clicked. So if, for example, I like Elon's tweet, handle like click should log out the UID that we've got saved down in the data attribute right here on line 37. Okay, so now we've got the function to do that, it's time for you to write some code. So bear with me while I set you a mini challenge. Okay, this challenge is broken into two parts because I want you to write code in two different places. You can do these challenges back to back.
Right, I have it here. If this is true, then we call this function handle like click. So we need to put data set dot liked as a parameters. Should take in a parameter. You can call this parameter tweet ID. So our tweet ID. I just finished this scrim, but I forgot a lot of it. Let's try and console.log tweet ID. Try it. Click on this. Console. There we go. Nice, nice. What we need to do now is we change the state of is like to true. First of all, is like to true. Cars that is like to true, and then we also need to increment should I do 0 1? We don't need that. When it's true is change color, that's it. When it's false is stay at this. Okay, we don't really need to increment anything.
First part of the challenge should take in us. Okay, inside these curly braces to run. Let's call handle like click. And we know we need to pass handle. Now what's going to happen if I click anywhere our job is half done? We have got
this challenge is hard. I would say it's like
tweet ID is holding the UID of the tweet that was liked. What we need to do now is get that tweet's object from tweet's data so we can increment its likes count. So I have set up a challenge for you to do exactly that. I want you
go to here, return tweet UID is equal to tweet ID, iterate through tweet target tweet object.
To iterate over tweets data and use the UID saved in tweet ID to identify the liked tweets object. Save that object to a new const called target tweet object, and I've just abbreviated object to obj. And I've just put a reminder, just want to take one object from open. I'm telling you what I want to achieve, but not too much about how I have got no.
Iterate through tweet target tweet datas, yeah, the data, and use the UID save in the tweet ID to identify the liked tweet object. Save that object to a new const called target tweet object. Target tweet object should hold an object, not an array. We just need to change it to what is it? True. We don't need to plus.
It iterates over the filtered out. It will not count is definitely 27. Now back in index.js then, I'm going to hit save and I'll click on the like icon. And if I move the mini browser out of the way, well, wait there. Now the likes on that first tweet are 28. In the data, they're 20.
Well, let's just do that. Const target tweet obj equal to tweet equal tweet ID. Tweet data filters tweets. So it filter out the tweet. Dot filters. Filter out the tweet that is clicked. Because tweet ID, target tweet object. Forgot all of this.
27 in the console, they're 28. Well, that.
Car.filters function and tweet. Let's do car. Then it's return target tweet object is equal to tweet ID, right? Tweet ID is equal to target tweet object. Tweet UUID. Turn tweet UUID equal to tweet ID. So what is target tweet object? Iterate through all the tweet data and return the tweet ID of the UUID of that tweet ID. Got it. Return tweet, return card ID. Right, we want to do return car.uuid. Right, equal to go to card ID to commas, and this is going to be 0. Let's try and console.log target tweet object. Alright, give you this, and then we change cars ID console.log target tweet object likes target tweet object dot is like equal to and then we do if target tweet object is true, then it's going to if target tweet object close brackets, right, and then this color is going to change to red. Document dot get element by ID. This is called like buttons. Like btn right here. Call this style dot CarList equal red. Okay, this is good. How do I do the switch thingy? What if I do and there's nothing? Great. Right, when I search for something, it doesn't print. Jesus. Also have to add this. What if I can call it all cards? Yeah, let's call all of these cards so that it's going to display. Same things, right? Lucky. ChatGPT. When user hover on top of a card, will reveal a score for the 5 factors. And then let's do... Damn, why is it so laggy? Let me change connected. Responsive design, essential JavaScript.
So we can like a tweet multiple times, which is bad, and we cannot unlike a tweet and decrement this likes count, which is also bad. So let's do some more work in this handle like click function to remedy that problem. Over in the data, each tweet has got a likes count, and it's also got an isLiked boolean, which is set to false by default. What we want handle like click to do is only increment this likes count if isLiked is false. If isLiked is true, handle like click should decrement the like count. And obviously, whichever of those two handle like click is doing, incrementing or decrementing, should be set to true. And remember, we've already got this line of code here, which is incrementing the likes. When a tweet is unliked, its isLiked property should be set to false, and its likes count should be decremented. Okay, you can write some logic right here to do that. Remember to include this line of code which increments. Pause now, work on this, and I'll see you back here in just a minute. Refactoring the code so I can say if target isLiked is set to false, then we need the true to isLiked. That is working. Now I think we can make this code a little bit drier and actually reduce it by 1 line. So let's take a look at that in the next script.
Need to learn how to flip boolean.
Let's refactor handle like click from false of flipping booleans. So here's your challenge. I want you to delete.
Yeah, let's try and see this.
The 2 lines of code marked below and replace them with just 1 line of code outside. Use back is just delete. These will have the logical not operator. Then down here, make target tweet object dot isLiked. And then after the equals, we'll have the logical not operator and then target tweet object dot isLiked. And what the logical not operator here will do.
So flip a boolean is going to be there. Boolean equal not boolean. Boolean equal not boolean.
Is flip this one to the inverse state. So if it's true, it will flip it to false, and if it's false, it will flip it to true. Okay, let's just hit save and see if it's working. And so I'll come on here and I'll like this tweet and unlike it. And there we are, it is working just fine.
Right. House. This is too white. What we can do is this. There we do. Target tweet object dot dislike equal not target tweet object dot dislike. How about now? Shit. Else if target tweet object equal false. BT and style colors white, none. Fuck. Style color white. Ay. Target tweet object is like flip booleans. Does it not do anything? Do I need to call something else? Get all cuts. Renders all cuts.
Fine. Right, that is really cool because we've
and it's clicked, so it's red now. When it's clicked, like BTN. And this only works on this. Cannot click any of this. That's a problem. Photos. console.block target tweet object. Try it. It's always say Camry. Car UUID. Just had to iterate through it. Tweet.uuid. Go to tweet ID, card ID. It's always say this. For Christ's sake. Should give you the UUID. Doesn't return you this, return car UUID. Maybe plus equal. Equal. There we go. If target tweet object that is like equal to true equal false, then we change document dot get element by ID. We do like btn dot style dot colors equal red else we do this, and we do document dot get element by ID, same code. Like btn dot style colors equal white, and then we just need to flip it when it's clicked. Target tweet object dot is liked equal not target tweet object is like. Let's try this. Shit. Like btn document.element.id is liked. Have to change target tweet object dot is like now is equal to true. Right, when a user click it, it's true. Run this code and then split back. Like this. Document.element by ID. It is true. Like btn. I have to like btn here. Yay. Style.colors. Document.getElement by ID. Let's try in console.log the document.getElement by ID. Let's see if it's true or false, because I set it to true. Let's see that console.log work. Doesn't work. How about now? Worked. Document. Okay, that works. That's weird. Else. White, and then we do target is like it's not going to be right. That's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. Why? Why it's only works for one? Why it only works for one? What? It's only work for one. All good cards object. Oh, there we go. Liked. Data set dot liked. Let's try here. Let's see. Reply UUID. Doesn't work. Why is it not working? Target tweet object is liked. Like button BTN. Why? Is it hooked up? Hooked up to this? No. Like only the first one works. Why is it? Doesn't remembers? Let's try and keep going.
Actually got this like. Now we've spent quite a lot of time on the like icon. The retweet icon is a very similar process, so we should be able to do it much more quickly. When you're ready for that, I'll see you in the next scrim. Right now, our user experience is a bit and have it turn green. And if I change my mind, I can click on it again and it will go back to its now. And retweeted sets the color to lime for this. A tweet.
Oh, should add class.
And set that back to when a tweet hasn't been liked, it doesn't need to have this new class name. So we're actually going to initialize this to an empty string, so it has no extra class name by default. Okay, time for you to do some work.
Use an if statement to set the value of like icon to a string liked. Maybe that is a better way to do it. Oh, Jesus. Like system.
I want you to use an if statement to set the value of like icon class to the string liked if the tweet icon has been liked. Now you'll remember this is the CSS class that we've got right here, this one that will turn
do it right in here. We wanted to like only once. Yeah, let's just return this.
and the icon red. And if we go over to the data, each object has class, and that is where is liked. So I can put in here stored in this because we still need to deal with the retweet icon. So
we need to add class like icon.
fine. So what we need here then is put in here tweets, and what we want to set it equals to is the string liked. So there we are. Now we have got our class name stored in this variable. So we need to go down to the like icon tag and add like icon class to the class list. Here is the like icon then. It's the one with font awesome heart. We've got this list of classes, so let's just add it on the end. And because this is a variable, we need to use the $ and the curly brace and do that with all of our tweets. Let's try and unlike them, and that also works.
Should be liked. Oh my days. Like, so I like add right here. If card dot is like. Oh, it works. This works. I don't know. Oh my days. Ah. Okay, that works. Oh my god, this take me for a while. Now it's even the harder part. So we need a scoring system. Let's ask ChatGPT. GPT. How would they do that? We need an overlay on top of this. Right, overlay. Apply puppeteer, not that. Color bar, height 10 pixel. ID container bars. I need it to be so it's overlay on top there. It's like an overlay, and then keep the at hover advanced listener to which can't use. Modify a style, assuming you have an array of object cards, each with a UID property and a score property for each of the category, and assuming the color bar. This is, I don't know what happened here, but let's do this. Add cards, right? Equal car. Pen shall mouse enters, so this might work. Card at listeners, mouse enters, and then when it enters, it's going to filter out all of it, just like this. One if yeah, let's do this. Let's do. And my listeners, mouse enters, function. All right, let's do if data set is UUID. UUID. All right, let's try and console log this. E is not defined. Document editor listener. E. Right. Mouse on top doesn't happen. Reading UUID. Mouse enters UUID. It is UUID. Dataset UUID. Let's try unique. It's not clicked. Mouse enters. Oh my days, oh my days, oh my days. How do I do this? Try and take this and then put it right here. How about now? Let's try and click. What? Why is it like that? If click. DBL. Click. What does it say? Double click. That's a problem. Console. Dot lock. Oh, because this is console dot lock. Mouse. Oh, mouse enter. So this cannot be. Shit. Document.get element by ID. Get element by ID. Image. BG image. Only happen with clicked. Sucks. Handle. Hover. Try and copy this. Card containers. Cons document. Create div. Right, let cards. Cons card equal document dot get element by ID. Then we do cards. Query selectors. Add event list. Query selectors. Get element by ID. Let's do BG IMG. Jesus. Alright, let's console cards. So there's one. Right, works. It works. Console dot lock. Mouse enters. Mouse enter nothing. What about clicked? Click. It works. It works. That's good. Let's try it first. Let's try. Click on another card. Doesn't happen. Doesn't do anything. But this one works. This one doesn't work. Let me try console. Let's remove this line of code. Let's try console.log e-target light. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this. E-target data set unique. Ay. This also doesn't have rank. This. Here I have the why doesn't it work? Like, come on. I do everything's too. Let's try this. And then we do a function. We need two functions for this. One is to like calculate the color bar. Calc. Alright guys, go and grab lunch.